Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today is a special edition. It's Halloween. So today I'm going to show you how to make some pizza bites, some spooky pizza bites, and some Halloween ghosts. So all we need for our ghosts is some raisins, some bananas, and some white chocolate. So white chocolate, I picked mine up from Tesco. It's from the Free From Kitchen company. I've not tried it before, so I'm very interested to see what that tastes like. And that is it. They are your ingredients. So what I've done first of all, I have already popped some bananas into the freezer. So I've cut my bananas in half and I've popped a stick on my banana and I popped it into the freezer, and they've been in there now for about an hour. So I just want them nice and hard, ready to coat them with that white chocolate. Okay, so we're going to start by melting our white chocolate. If you've got a microwave, it's a really good idea to put your chocolate into a cup, and that way you can dip straight into the chocolate. Unfortunately, I don't own a microwave anymore. It's something that I haven't used for quite a few years now. So I'm going to be melting mine the old-fashioned way on top of a hob, a little bit of water in the pan and a glass bowl on top. So I'm just going to get some of this white chocolate and pop that in there. Break it up, pop it in. And while we're at it, shall we have a try this white chocolate to see what it's like? So it's deliciously indulgent white chocolate alternative. Okay. Let's have a go. Let's see what it tastes like. Do you know what? That is really nice. It's got like a Milky Bar taste to it. I can live with that. That's nice. Oh, it's going to be really nice in my banana ghosts. Okay. Let's just move the wig hair out the way before I set myself on fire. Get my arm sleeves out the way as well. Light that up. Okay, it's not much longer and that's going to be done. Just hoping there's enough there. Do you like that? Did you know these little holes on the end of your saucepan? I used to think they were for hanging stuff. They're not. You can put your spoons in there. It's brilliant. It's inventive. My spoon is in there. It's not touching the work surface. Look at that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm just going to tip the banana to one side. I'm just going to make sure that banana gets a nice covering of white chocolate. Try to get that bottom covered as well if you can, just to help seal the banana in. There we go. And just drip it a little bit. Okay. Just let that drip down a bit. And what we're going to do on this side, I'm just going to pop a couple of raisins in there, like so. Let's probably get him in. There you go, little banana ghost. And we'll just pop him on the greaseproof paper to set. Looking at all spooky. Ooh. And what I'm going to do now, these guys, I'm going to stick them in the fridge, let them set, and it's as simple as that. Banana ghosts. So you may notice that I've now got no wig and my arms are now free. The reason being, this one's a little bit messier and I didn't want to get all my outfit in there or my hair in there, or should I say wig in there. So I've just derobed for this recipe. So what I'm going to be showing you here is some pizza bites. They're really easy to do again, and I'll show you what designs I'm doing. So the reason being I've pre-prepared this is I've done the recipe before. It's on your thin and crispy pizza base. So if you go onto the link in the top corner, that'll take you to my pizza recipe video. Alternatively, go to the description and there will be a link to the recipe in the description. So what we got here then, so we have some onion, we got some of your pitted black olives and some pizza slices. So these are your Violife pizza slices. I've chose these on purpose because they don't melt that well, and you'll see why in a second. So first we're going to do our onion. So what we're going to do here, we're going to just pop that across there and pop that one across there. You've probably guessed what I'm doing. Can you guess what I'm doing? Pop that one across there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just chop this one in half, and then we're just going to cross it across. So yeah, I'm just going to do some little spider webs and just put this in the middle. Spider webs are really easy to do, really simple design. And just pop that in. Nice little one there. So if you wanted to be really adventurous, you can make a big one. You could do a big spider web. I need to cut them down a bit. Again, this is just a bit of fun to have with the kids at Halloween. And it's just nice to do these things with them, have a bit of fun. So it's my spider webs. So now we're going to move on to our next design. So this is a bit like the spider web theme. This time we're going to make some little spiders. I'm going to put a couple on each one, I think. Okay, put one there as well. So all I'm doing here, black olives, cutting them in half to make the body, like so. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an olive and I'm going to make some little legs. So I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces, like so. And then we're just going to stick some little leggy peggies on there as well. Look at that, there we go. Now we're going to do, I'm hoping I can get 2 out of 1 slice of cheese. I think I will. Now please do not laugh if I'm not very good at this. I'm going to attempt to cut a ghost. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm just going to you might do a better job than me of this. Might be an idea to buy a cutter, but I don't know, it's turned out alright. And we'll just a couple of lines. That is actually pretty darn good. I've seen it myself. That's one ghosty. And then pizza. Like that. And then we'll cut another ghosty. that's my pizzas done. So you get your little ghoulies. I've got a little spider web going there. Got some spiders on out of olives. If you wanted to, I suppose, put a spider in the middle of the spider web. But I'm going to go with that. And pop these into the oven now for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's as simple as that. Halloween pizza bites. I really hope you've enjoyed this one today. It was a bit of a fun one for me. It's something that I want to do. It's really easy, some really simple treats that you can do with your kids at Halloween. If you have liked it, give me a like. And if you like the outfit, if you like the dress, give me a like. And if you want to see even more plant-based recipes, do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, any feedback, anything at all, pop that below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.